Parts of a circle. Circle, right now, you need to know only three main parts. First of all, the line around the outside. We think of the perimeter for many shapes, and this is the perimeter for this shape, but we give it another name for the circle, and it starts with the same letters as the circle. It is the circumference. The circumference is the distance, the line all the way around on a circle. And later on, you might well learn how to find the circumference of a circle. Then, you've got the middle of the circle, and to draw a line across it, like this. There is a name for that line that travels from one side in a straight line to the other side, and that is called the diameter. The diameter is always half of the radius, and the radius is the distance from the center of the circle to one end in a straight line. The radius is always half the length of the diameter. So if the diameter of a circle is 8 centimeters, then the radius of a circle will be 4 centimeters. Here is a diameter of 7 centimeters. What do you think the radius will be? You draw a line from the center of the circle outwards. You don't need to measure it. All you need to do is halve it. And half of 7 centimeters is 3.5 centimeters, or 3.5 centimeters. Parts of a circle. There are three main parts of a circle that you need to know. The first is the line going around the outside. For many shapes, we think of it as the perimeter, and for the circle, it's got its own name, the circumference. The circumference is the distance all the way around. Now, for many parts of the circle, you need to know about two lines. The first is a line that travels from the center of the circle out in a straight line to one end, and that is called the radius. The radius relates directly to another line, and this line goes from one side of a circle through the center and out to another. This line is called the diameter. And one thing you need to know is that the radius is always half of the diameter. So if the diameter of a circle is 7 centimeters, then the radius is half of that, 3.5 centimeters. The radius is always half of the diameter.